Hello, my name is Rishi Raithatha. I'm the Director for Data and Insights for the GSMA's Mobile Money Program, and I'm here to talk about mobile virtual network operators and fintech, and the potential for them to work together. So, mobile virtual network operators, or MVNOs, have the potential to offer a mobile-first approach. Um, Between 2015 and 2018, MVNOs grew nearly 2.5 times more than mobile connections in certain markets, particularly in markets where they were always present and had a significant market share. So that would be in Europe, for instance. And this means that they have the potential to align really well with fintech providers who want to offer financial services through mobile platforms, but have not been able to do so far. The thing about MVNOs is that they cover customers that traditional mobile network operators don't. And this means that they've got access to a large and diverse customer base that might have needs that are not being covered by traditional financial service providers. So this means that fintech players, for instance, could partner with an MVNO to offer remittance corridors between the global north and the global south. And in this way, this arrangement could serve both the MVNO quite well in terms of offering a significant value proposition to their customers, but also for the fintech players to use alternative channels to distribute their products. Now, this all feeds into the potential for MVNOs to improve financial inclusion among underserved and underbanked users. Financial inclusion is a major phenomenon in much of low and middle income countries. And in many cases, mobile money has proven to be a significant driver for millions to be able to access mobile money services, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa and Asia. Now, MVNOs are not new to mobile money. At least a few MVNOs have ventured into this space, and well-known examples would include Equitel in Kenya, which runs a mobile money service there, as well as Leica Mobile in Uganda, which also runs a mobile money service there. Leica Mobile itself is well known in several high-income countries, particularly in Western Europe, where they offer very affordable subscriptions to mobile services, which are typically taken up by immigrants who face lower barriers to try and sign up for a mobile service. And in offering a remittance service to countries where they would be sending money to friends and family, this is a brilliant example of an MVNO venturing into the financial inclusion space. This obviously means that there is potential for fintechs to integrate further services with MVNOs. It's not just limited to payments. There are examples of MVNOs who have offered e-commerce and other similar offerings in China as well. So this is not even a new phenomenon in its own right. And by doing this, it means that you can provide your users a very good user experience where it comes to serving as a one-stop shop for all possible services that they might need, all possible digital services that they might need, should I say. In addition, I think if we think about the potential for financial deepening or improving financial health, then there is the possibility for MVNOs to partner with fintech providers who offer responsible credit, and with obviously customers' consent, use customer data to offer loans which would not be available from traditional financial service providers because of a lack of economic footprint or so. So this does mean that there is the potential to use customer data to try and offer products that are relevant for their needs. And by doing this, fintechs can also gain insights into how customers use financial services. And of course, this has the potential to improve their strategic planning and product development in the future. One of the advantages of working with an MVNO in this case is that many are established in some markets, and this means that they're they're widely trusted brands, just like many mobile network operators are. And this does mean that any fintech that is nascent or has recently started operations, this is a good way of partnering with an organization that has a reputable brand that is well known within the market and that is trusted. And this is very important when providing financial services, because it means that by cross-promoting with an MVNO and co-marketing various products and services, it means that you can rely on a trusted brand to sell your product and reach as many customers as is obviously possible. And then finally, the partnerships that you can have with an MVNO as a fintech provider means that you're in a position to expand the financial ecosystem. And this is important in many ways. It allows customers to be given the choice to use different products and services that are offered. But it also means that customers may be in a position to benefit from lower costs, more targeted services, and the ability for both MVNOs and fintechs to offer their services to a broader and expanding audience. There are many possibilities for MVNOs in this space, much of which remain untapped. And of course, we take pleasure in seeing growth in the mobile money space, and we hope to see more MVNOs looking to either provide mobile money services or partner with fintechs in providing financial services to the underserved. Thank you very much.